You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.
Hey everyone, so I'm back with another YouTube video. Today I am doing a Valentine's Day look inspired by a look I saw on TikTok, which I will show you right here. If you like this look, please keep watching. I did my face already, so let's get started with the eye look. I'm gonna be priming my eyelids with the MAC Paint Pot. In our inner corner and on our lid, I'm going to be using this color from the NYX Ultimate Palette. And then just as a base shade for our crease, I'm going to be using this shade, so you probably can't really see it in the same palette. It's just like a pretty neutral, like peachy brown kind of color. Just something, anything light that you could use. Okay, now we're just gonna go blend that out. So I'm gonna go in with that same palette and use this color from it. Just like not a light pink, a little bit darker of a pink, but not too dark, not too dark. And then you're just gonna blend this shadow just down onto the lid. And then again, we're just gonna blend out the edges. Now we're gonna go in with another coat of the same pink color, just to make it a little bit darker. Okay, so now we'll have something like this. So next, we're just gonna highlight our brow arc. And then we are going to, actually, I want this look to be a little bit more dramatic, so we are just gonna lightly go in with a white shade. If you don't want it like as dramatic as I do, feel free just to go with like a nude kind of color. And by dramatic, it's not gonna look crazy. It's just gonna make the pink pop a little bit more. So I'm just taking this color board palette from Amazon. We are gonna go in with a shimmery pink for the lid. So I'm just taking this shimmery pink. And then we are going to, I think I'm going to mix this really dark pink and then this shimmery pink together. And then we're gonna put this in the crease. You know what, I think I'm just gonna use the dark pink right now and not the shimmer. And the technique I'm using, I'm just putting it, like I'm using an angled brush and just doing it like I would a wing, where I just like lightly fluff it this way, pull up, and then kind of windshield wash it up as well, just so it's gonna distribute all the product. I'm gonna do that one more time just so it's a little bit darker, but feel free to go as comfortable with the lightness and darkness as you want. Okay, and in the bottom corner, we're just gonna take that same dark pink color and connect the outer corner from the top into the bottom. And then I always bring it up this way to make it into like a cat eye, like I said. So it will kind of look like this triangle. And then I'm going to take some of this shimmery pink and put that in the inner corner. Okay, so now we're gonna start with the liner, and I'm just forewarning you guys, this is gonna be super hard to do on camera, that I think I'm just going to do it off camera so I don't screw up. But I just got this new liquid liner, and to be quite honest, I haven't purchased a liquid liner or a new one in like, I don't know, like 7 years, because I'm psycho. I just keep on using a really old one, and it is definitely way past its time. I just got this at Superstore. It is the e.l.f. liquid liner, no budge retractable, or sorry, that's a different one. It is called the H2O proof eyeliner pen. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a cat eye, but not wrap it all the way around my lid. I'll show you guys that after, and then I'm gonna do an inner corner with a different liner. So I will be right back. So this is the finished winged liner. Now I'm gonna go in with the no budge retractable liner to do my inner corner and as well some of the low lash line. And this is by e.l.f. as well. Okay, so here's the finished liner. I'll just give you a close-up. So as a little product trial, I love the liquid e.l.f. liner, but I'm not a huge fan of the no budge one that I put down in my waterline. It just like took me a long time to get it like really dark. So it wasn't the most pigmented. I just wanted like something quick and something new, but I don't think I would purchase this again. I'm going to be going in with the Patrick Ta She's Sincere blush, which is just like a really nice peachy brownie kind of color. Just because this look is so pink, I don't want my cheeks to also be super pink as well. And then I am going to go over top with, let's do this pink highlighter, and I'll link all the products I use below. Okay, so now I'm just gonna set my face, and then I am going to come back with my mascara done. Okay, so our mascara is done. So this is the finished eye look. I am obsessed with it. So now we are just gonna finish off with a lip. I'm going to be going in with this MAC lip liner in the color Soar. And I'm gonna try my best to do this on camera. And then just to put in the center, I'm going in with the MAC V Pink Print. I totally thought this was Ariana Grande, but it's actually Nicki Minaj. And it's this kind of color of pink. Super pretty. And here is the finished makeup look. I am obsessed with it. I love how pretty it looks, screams Valentine's Day, and overall, I'm obsessed. Sorry if I like kept looking up because I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder. I apologize, I'm trying to get better on that. But here is it up close. And I'm going to quickly show you the finished hair and outfit look. I'm running late to get my nails done, which is actually gonna be a Valentine's Day theme. So when I get back, I'll just show you what I did, but I'll quickly show you my hair and outfit. And just a little preface, I would not normally wear this to the nail salon, but my appointment's in like literally like 15 minutes or less. So be right back. This is the finished hair and makeup. I just had my hair in a French braid the night before because I washed my hair yesterday. And then I just put some hairspray and dry shampoo in it. I really like the way it turned out actually, because I don't normally sleep in a French braid. And for the outfit, I have on these leather pants from Oakenfort. And then this top I got from Princess Polly. And then I just have these boots on from Zara. And this is the full fit. And then because I'm in a rush, I didn't put on any jewelry, but normally like I would add more jewelry on and maybe a little bit of sparkle. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube video. Let me know if you recreate this Valentine's Day look or have any questions or comments below. I'll be happy to answer them. I hope you all have a great Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day, whatever you guys are doing. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!